Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This week I've got a little toolbox that I picked up at a market, second-hand market close by. Bought it for €10 and it came with the tools inside. So I just thought we'd have a look, see what I got. There's quite an interesting few things in here. If anybody knows what this is, please let me know in the comments. Not sure what it does, but if anybody knows, please let me know. What else we got? That looks like the bar that fits in the front. Hold the drawers closed, and an SDS drill, 10mm. That's handy. Always after 10mm drills. Quite a few little goodies in here. A non-branded extension, quarter drive, and looks like that is an Allen key that's been welded into that socket for some reason, but still might be useful. Long extension, again not branded, probably a Chinesian one. And T-handle, again no name, got a bend in it as well, but could be used for something. A little T-bar here, again no brand, not having a lot of luck here. Another little T-handle. Oh, this has got a brand on it. Elora, I think it is, Germany. Oh, that's quite a good brand. That'll go in my main box. Got another extension here. Another quarter drive. No brand again. Oh, we've got one here. Ooh, hit the jackpot with this one. Quarter drive snap-on. Fantastic. That again will go into my box. And put those two together. It's a valve key with a thread cutter on it for recutting the threads on valves. Now that's useful. That'll go in my box. Got here. Got a what size is that? Half inch drive. Another Elora, made in Germany. Good quality tool. Put that aside. Another socket. Stahlwilly 7/16. Again made in Germany. German tools always nice, always well made. Little wire brush, and a 3/8 drive, no brand, not even any size on it, so that's a good quality thing. Little screwdriver, little precision one. Looks like it's seen better days, but it'll clean up. That'll be good. More sockets. Ah, this is Elora again, and it's British Standard Whitworth 7/16. Unusual. Another socket, bit on the rusty side. Can't actually see the size. I think it's 13 or 14 mil. Ah, it's got a crack in it. That's no good. Garbage. 1/2 inch drive extension, 6-inch extension, bend in the middle, could be straightened I suppose. Again, no name. What have we got here? We've got a USA tool here, Proto. Not quite sure what that's for. Looks like some sort of keyway. Take out a slotted big screw or something. If you know, let me know in the comments below. Another weird little thing. Good make though. Got a universal. That seems to be working. And snap-on USA 1/2 inch drive. Excellent. I think those are worth, all the little tools that I've taken out now are worth a tenner. This box was only a tenner, so it came with all the stuff. So yeah, just a chuck key, bit of steel, and got a set of Allen keys, full set by the look of it. Oh, maybe not, that's a smaller size, but most of it there. Cheap one again, I don't think there's any name on it, no brand. There's another one over here, still no brand. Handy to have. What else we got? Got a little bit of steel, a broken tap, lovely, another bit of steel, screwdriver, bent one, Phillips one end and a flathead the other, and a load of drill bits, all the same size by the look of it. Oh, there's one larger one. The rest of them, they're all the same size. Look about 7 or 8 mil. So, freshly sharpened as well by the look of it. Leave those in there before they get lost. And there's this one. That's just been sharpened as well. And probably a 10. Looks like a tensioner with the one end missing. Big Allen key. Another weird and wonderful little thing. Little tool for taking radios out by the look of it. Got another valve key remover. Schrader valve remover. Here we got, it's a bit stiff, that needs a clean. Looks like it's a bicycle chain splitter by the look of it. No make on it. Looks very old. What else we got? A bit of threaded bar with a thing on it. An old nut, a spring, and a bolt. And that's it for the top. And for the first drawer, there's some screwdrivers in here. A little socket set. There's a nut driver, no brand. And half a socket set, unless there are extra of them in here. Oh, there's one. There's a... Can't see anything else, unless that fits in there. No, I think that fits there, doesn't it? And... oh, wait, there's one here. In this little screwdriver. A little ratcheting screwdriver. Chinese one by the look of it. It works though. It locks up in the middle, yeah. I can go in there. And there's 3 sockets missing. I've got 3 here. And they are metric. That's a 9. 8. And a 7. Oh, we've got weird and wonderful screwdriver here. Looks like it's for gripping a screw, so that you can hold it while it's going in. Silver line. Posi drive number 1. Ordinary screwdriver with a cap, metal cap, so it's a knock-through screwdriver. Quite useful. Little stubby Phillips. Again, no brand. And another little Phillips. Looks like a number 2. And another one, a number 2. This one is, oh, this one's Stanley, with a thrifty version, and a horrible, no branded one with a knackered tip. Much in that drawer, but useful, I suppose. If there's a, doesn't appear to be a square drive for these, but handy to have. Right. And in here we have some spanners, piece of rubber, old raw plug, long one, plastic spreader, never been used, that's good. Now you're talking. King Dick size, 1/2 inch Whitworth and 5/8 Whitworth. Nice quality. Multi-tool of yesteryear by the look of it. Another British Standard Whitworth one. It's a 1/2, 7/16, 3/8, 5/16, 1/4, 1/8, 5/16. I'm not sure what that one says there, but that's 0, 6400. Right, what have we got here? Another old spanner, chrome vanadium. Can't make out the name, it'll have to be cleaned up. And Whitworth again, 5/16. Can't see that, have to give it a clean. Little one, a bit on the rusty side, 7/16, 1/2 inch, so that's handy. This one, chrome vanadium, 5/8, 3/4, Agea, or Agesa, made in Spain. 7/16 with a bend in it combination. Can't see the make again. Let's get better glasses. This one's made in England. 9/16 5/8. Again, can't make out the name, needs a good clean. Drop forged. Looks like it's made in India. 3/8. Jedor. 14mm and a 15mm. Brittle by the look of it. Yeah, brittle. 7/16 BS, 3/8 Whitworth. 1/2 inch BS, 7/16 Whitworth. A lot of Whitworth stuff in here. 22mm combination, made by Elora, Germany. Needs a clean. This one's Accessa, Spain. 1 inch with the chrome peeling off. Little brake spanner, chrome vanadium, made in Japan, so probably quite a good one. And a oil pressure switch from something. Next one, not much in here. 3, 4 files, a file handle, set of keys which I don't know what will go to, an exhaust pipe clamp that still works, and a tiny little spanner. Fabulous. Nothing else. Only one more to go. Last one. Oh, we've got a few bits in here. What's in the bag? Just a special bolt of some sort with a washer. $20K CT, no idea. Old spark plug, seen better days. BPRS ES. Couple of little spanners. Got a British Standard Whitworth. I think that says 1/4, but I'm not sure. And 3/16. Little tiny one, Whitworth spanner. Lots of Whitworth stuff in here. This one's 1/4 Whitworth, and it's got the magic arrow, the crow's foot, so that's obviously a military one. Excellent. Little adjustable, that still works. Doesn't close properly, needs some attention. Might do that one day. Tube of autosol, that's useful. Can't get enough of that here. Bit of a hexagonal rod, a lighter, Oh, it works. Bulbs, 12 volt car LED bulb. Lovely. A nozzle for a caulking gun. Ooh, a bigger one. No make on this. This one also works. A bit stiff, but quite nice. This one looks like it closes correctly. Doesn't quite close all the way. Need this one, drop forward steel. Drop forward steel. And this is 6-inch. And that's stiff. That hardly opens, and it's bent. So that'll need some work. Oh, an old padlock with a key. It's seized up. Oh no, it's not. Oh, that's good, it still works. And a U-bend pipe. And that's it for the inside of the toolbox. I have got a couple more things that I'd like to show you. I'll just move this toolbox out of the way and I'll show you the other stuff I got. And there we have, it's a pipe vise. The chain is seized, needs a bit of work. The thread still works, it looks in reasonable nick. It's made by Record, made in England. I think the bottom half of it is still intact, just here. Looks like it can be taken apart, so I shall probably do that and refurbish it. Again, a nice useful thing to have. And last on the list today was this. I picked it up for just a couple of euros. There's a clamp, an angle clamp. All the threads seem to work on it, and it's totally adjustable. Ideal when welding steel or clamping wood or anything. Very nice little tool. Just a couple of euros, and the pipe vise was about 3 euros, I think it was. So it's 5 euros for these two things and 10 for the box with everything in it. The box itself is what I wanted, but as a bonus got those free tools, and there's some quite nice things in there. If you have enjoyed, please hit the like and subscribe button. Please have a look at my other videos, and I shall see you next week. Bye now.